Good morning, everyone. My name is Hasib Ghalib, and I am a student of Electrical Engineering at GIFT University. Today, I will be presenting on brushless DC motor, a topic I studied in the electric machines course. Here is an overview of what we will be covering today: abstract, introduction, basics of a motor, classification, brushed motors, BLDC motor, working procedure, applications, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion, and references. To begin with the abstract, permanent magnet brushless DC motors or BLDC motors are created by virtually inverting the stator and rotor of permanent magnet DC motors. These motors are fed by a rectangular AC waveform. One key advantage is the elimination of the brushes, which removes many associated problems. Another significant advantage is the ability to procedure larger torque due to the rectangular interaction between current and the flux. Classical DC motors are known for the simplicity and effectiveness, but they have inefficiencies particularly related to sparking and commutation problems. Despite having a good pro control characteristics, and their performance and applications are limited. The permanent magnet brushless DC motor overcomes these limitations and meets the requirements for a variable speed drive. Let's move to the basics of a motor. A motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. The concept of electric motor was introduced by Nikola Tesla in December 1889. He identified the principle of rotating magnetic field, which is fundamental to operation of electric motors. Now let's look at the main parts of a brushed motor. The commutator facilitates the collection of current from the armature conductors, while the brush collects current from the commutator. These components are crucial for the operation of brushed motors, but also bring some challenges which will be addressed later. Classifications. We can classify motors into different types. In this presentation, we will focus on brushless DC motor. Understanding these classifications helps us appreciate the advancement and benefits of BLDC motor. Brushless DC motors or BLDC motors do not have brushes and commutators. The rotation of the rotor depends on its precise position relative to the stator, which is detected by a Hall sensor. This sensor is mounted on the rotor and operates with a phase shift of 60° and 120°. Electronic commutation is used to vary the PWM duty. PWM duty is pulse width modulation, which is a digital technique to control a signal by repeatedly toggling a signal between high and low state in a consistent pattern. Working of BLDC motor. Without a commutator, the current direction in the stator conductor is controlled electronically. The rotor consists of a permanent magnet while the stator has multiple windings. The current passing through these windings generates a magnetic field and force. A Hall sensor is used to determine the rotor's position during commutation, ensuring precise control of the motor. Commutation of BLDC motor. BLDC motors require an external commutation circuit to rotate the rotor. The rotor's position is very important and is accurately sensed by the Hall sensor. This sense ensures that the motor operates efficiently and effectively. Working procedure. When an electric current passes through a coil in a magnetic field, the resulting magnetic force generates a torque, which turns the motor. The force in the motor can be calculated using the formula F equals to ILB, where F is the force, I is the current, length is the L. and B is the magnetic field. The torque can be calculated using tau equals to IBA sine theta, where A is the product of the length and width of the winding. Simulations of BLDC motor. This slide presents a simulation of BLDC motor. Simulations are very crucial for understanding and predicting the behavior of motors under various conditions. By simulating the motor's operation, we can optimize its design and performance before physical implementation. Output of simulation. Here we have the output of the simulation. This output includes data and graphs that show the motor's performance characteristics. Analyzing this data helps us understand how the motor behaves in real world applications and allows us to make necessary adjustments. Speed torque characteristics. This slide shows the speed torque characteristics of BLDC motors. Understanding this relationship is important for applications where both speed and torque are critical. It helps in designing motor control strategies that maximize efficiency and performance. Working procedure. Let's look at the working procedure in more detail. Hall sensors sense the position of the coils and the decoder circuit turns the appropriate switches on and off. This process ensures that the voltage is applied to the specific coil that turn the motor, allowing precise control of the motor's operation. Pros. BLDC motors offer several advantages since permanent magnets are on the rotor and electromagnets are on the stator, controlled by a software. They are more precise and efficient. There is no sparking, resulting in less electrical noise. They have high voltage and current ratings and can achieve high speeds. With no brushes, there is no need for servicing, leading to a longer lifespan. They also produce a low frequency and electromagnetic interference. Cons. However, BLDC motors do have some disadvantages. They require complex drive circuitry and additional sensors, which can be costly. Some designs also require manual labor, such as hand-wound stator coil, adding to the expense. Applications. BLDC motors are used in a wide range of applications, including domestic equipment, automobiles, information technology equipment, industrial machinery, public life appliances, transportation, aerospace, defense equipment, power tools, toys, vision and sound equipment, and medical and healthcare devices. Their versatility and efficiency make them suitable for numerous applications from microwatts to megawatts. Here are the references used in this presentation. They include various websites and historical documents that provide additional information. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation is informative and useful.